So this is the unboxing from Amazon of the rat snap traps. So it's gonna come in an envelope similar to this. And this is the box. So this is from EcoPro Pest Control. It is Eco Trap Jaws. It's a 6-pack and it's rat snap traps. So we see a picture there. Let's see what other little goodies this box has. So you can get more info scanning this. Gives us a little bit of info here. The Eco Trap Jaws rodent trap. It's quick, safe, and easy to bait and set. No need to touch the dead rodent. I like that. Just squeeze the back to open the jaws. So we'll see in a minute what that means. A deep bait cup, large trip paddle, and teeth make this a better mouse rat trap. Steel and hard plastic construction is easy to clean. There are pre-drilled holes in the frame, which allows for secure mounting on any surface, and you can use for rats, squirrels, and other large rodents. Ooh, so let's see what's inside. All right, so let's see how we do this. So go ahead. I'm gonna open this baby up. All right, and you can tell this is nice and firm. It's super easy to go ahead and pull out the bait station first. So you just, did you see that? Here's the little bait station. You just go ahead, give that a twist, bring it out, okay? Put your bait of choice. Bait is not included. And then pop it back in there, okay? And then twist it. It's secure, won't fall. And now you're just gonna set it. You guys, this is so easy. You literally just go ahead and bring that back until it snaps into place. And that's it. Now your little buddy is gonna come through and get some of that bait out, and well, it's called snap trap. So I guess you get the picture. I want to show you how the rat snap traps work. So these are on my counter. If I scream, I'm sorry. It still startles me. So it's like, this is very light, guys. You see how and this is like so light. So anyways, rat snap traps, 6-pack.